Babes Wodumo fails to fly to London for MTV EMAs. The Gqom queen apparently wanted Viacom Africa to pay for her flights to London and her hotel stay. Babes Wodumo, real name Bongekile Simelane, will reportedly not be attending Sunday's MTV Europe Music Awards 2017 in London, where she has been nominated in the Best Africa Act category. This despite her promise to attend the event following a backlash from her fans for failing to attend the Bets in America in June due to her visa issues. "I will definitely be attending the MTV Awards. I have sorted out the visa. I am going," she said at the time. But Alex Conie, Executive Vice President and Managing Director of Viacom International Media Networks Africa, VIM Africa, reportedly told the Juice that Viacom Africa received written confirmation from Babes Wodumo's team that they elected to not attend the MTV EMAs. The Gqom queen apparently wanted Viacom Africa to pay for her flights to London and her hotel stay. "Our communication to all artists has always been equal and clear that VIM Africa does not fly nominees to the MTV EMAs. We have confirmed this with all the nominees. As it relates to talent, we only fly performers to the MTV EMAs awards show," Conie was quoted as saying. The awards will take place in London on Sunday and will be broadcast on MTV, DSTV 130. Babes was nominated alongside Nyashinski, Kenya; Nasty Sai, South Africa; Wizkid, Nigeria; Davido, Nigeria; and C4 Pedro, Angola, in the Best Africa Act category. Babes took to Instagram on Saturday to wish all the nominees well for the awards show on Sunday. She also thanked Bet Africa and Viacom for recognizing her talent. "Thank you to Bet Africa and Viacom for recognizing my effort and talent. Finally received my 2017 Bet nominees gold coin today. So proud and look forward to building on my international success and pushing Africa to the next level. Crossing fingers for all the African nominees at this weekend's 2017 MTV EMA Awards. I'm honored to be recognized among such talented individuals. Hard work does pay off. Great story for Sin Continent," she said.